So today we are gonna make a Zen art, and for Zen art you are gonna need a scissor, A4 sheet paper, and some brush pens, and a brush, a pen, and I'm using this 46 art set. Mainly I'm using this because I have paint in this, and I'm gonna use the paint from this 46 art set. Okay, so okay, and I'm going to need a bowl of water also. The bowl is filled with water, that's the reason I'm not able to show it. Okay, but no problem. Okay, first of all we are going to take this. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are taking the scissor. Okay, and not scissor, you have to draw a border over here on this paper. You have to draw a border. Okay, so let's do this. Get ready and start. Okay guys, in place of making a border with pen, I have just folded these, and now I'm going to open the folds. Okay, now I'm ready by opening the folds. Now see, on each corner by folding you will be able to see and square like this, a small square. Now I'm taking the scissor, and from this side I'm going to cut this little bit. See, I have cut this. Okay, same from the other side. Okay, guys, I'm ready with this. Now I'm going to stick them. I'm just going to cut a triangle actually. I'm going to cut the squares, okay, which are on the corner like this. Guys, if you want to stick this like this, you may, but I don't want to. And if you will do, it will look also nice, and if you'll do this also, it will look nice. Now what I am going to do is, also I think I have to stick. No problem. Come on, let's stick this. See guys, I'm ready. Now in the half line I am going to draw some mountains. Okay, so I am taking my pen and drawing some mountains. See, I'm done. Now I am going to paint. Okay, so I'm taking the paint, and paint I am needing blue, pink and yellow. Okay, so guys, I am using this paint. Okay, I'm using this paint for my craft. Okay, and now from all the paints I'm going to only need blue, pink and yellow. So I'm taking that. I'm keeping everything aside, just the paper, bowl of water and brush with me. Okay, so how I'm going to paint is, upside I'm going to paint a little bit of blue, then a little bit of pink and then yellow. Okay, just it shall not go in the mountains. Okay, so I'm doing this. I'm taking my brush. Okay, and doing. Here is my brush. Here's my blue color. I'm dipping the brush in water and starting to paint. I'm done with blue. I'm now painting the pink color. I'm done with all the colors. Now on my own, of your own you can make over on these mountains. You have to make any of the design. Okay, so I'm making. Okay, I'm done with my design. Now I am going to paint that design with my brush pens. Okay, I'm going to paint that design with my brush pens. So here are my brush pens. You can use your sketch pens also. Okay, and I'm using them. Just a minute. Here is my orange painting, orange, and I'm doing some. Okay. See, like this I will paint over everywhere. Okay, so let's do this. Like this I'm going to color so many colors. Okay, so after orange I'm taking I'm gonna use purple and light green and some and I will also use I have fluorescent yellow, very amazing and bright color. I'm gonna use that also. Okay, so let's do this. Are you enjoying the activity? I'm done with purple also. I'm done with green also. Hope you're enjoying. Now I'm taking the fluorescent color which is so beautiful. Okay, see, I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to paint this one with brown. Okay, I can paint also, or else I can use a brush pen also. I think it will be better by using brush pen, because brush pens work so fast, so I'm using them only. It will be better. See guys, I'm ready. It is looking so nice. So nice. See, it's really looking like a photo frame, as every photo frame has brown cover, right? It has the same brown color as this photo frame has. Okay guys, so hope you followed all the rules and have made amazing craft like this. See guys, this one is called as the Zen art, or you can say Zen painting also. So guys, for now, bye bye, and meet me in the next video. Bye bye. You made the same I have made, and I am feeling so awesome by doing this. Hope you are also feeling awesome. Bye.